Well, hello my friends, how are you guys doing today? Check this out, we got a pop-up wallet for you guys. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but have you ever heard of a pop-up wallet? Well, you're about to hear it and see it. So it comes in this nice little box. Comes nicely wrapped with their seal of approval. Almost don't want to rip that, but we got to get to the wallet. Woo! Check this out. Wow, that's nice. That is nice. So, you guys can see you can put your cash in here. You have two slots up here for different cards. This actually comes directly out. It's magnetized, so it sticks right in. You guys may be saying, well, Scott, I don't know. That looks kind of big. It's actually not that big when you think about it. This is the wallet I currently use. As you can see, it's a little smaller than my wallet that I currently use. Let's go ahead and put some stuff in here and test that out. Alright my friends, you guys know we got to go visit our Blockbuster store. That's right, this is our original card from Blockbusters. Check this out. Place your cards in here. You have it in there. Slide this up. Boom. Here you go, sir. Slide it right back down in. Boom. Takes a second. Boom. That's a pop-up wallet, my friend, and that is designed perfectly. Boom. Boom. What's it like with cash and multiple cards? Well, we got cash, multiple cards, and it really didn't change the size of it at all. Pop this open, check it out. We got some cash in here. All this money will probably go for gas because, well, yeah, we know how things are today. But anyway, check this out, my friends. Boom, multiple cards. Check that out. It layers the cards, so one is higher than the other. Is that not cool? Pop them back down, they're both in the same. Boom. Place them back down in. Boom. Easy access. Pop them all out. Go ahead and pop them out if you want. Drop them back in. Go ahead and drop them back in. Easy access, my friends. Boom. It's that simple. This is our new wallet. Absolutely love this. Very nice, my friends. And again, if you just wanted to carry this, then you got this sleek minimalistic. Boom. Pop that out. So if you don't carry cash, no worries. You want to carry cash? It's also not a problem either. Some people like carrying emergency cash. Let's put some 60 bucks here. You want cash? No problem. Fold her up. Slide her down in here. There, now you got extra security. You got cash in there. Boom, doesn't affect how this works. It's that simple, my friends. That simple. And now you got an extreme minimalistic wallet. If you don't carry a lot of cash, you can even keep cash in like that and carry the whole wallet with even more cash inside here if you want. Overall, guys, it's awesome. And as a bonus, my friends, we went ahead and we maxed out this with all kinds of cards. Check this out. It works with all your cards, and we got a bunch. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 cards in here. 8 cards, and it works. Love it, guys.